Pancakeswap. This is a project that I was covering around $1 and actually added it to our top 5 DeFi coins for February 2021. And guess what? It's basically done a 10x since there. So I had to make this quick video just to cover what Pancakeswap has done, why Binance Smart Chain is really performing incredibly, a couple of other coins to keep on your radar as far as Binance Smart Chain, because this is getting massive adoption. You have to understand BSC, Binance Smart Chain. I talked about this and Atom, how basically there are two great alternatives. Yes, Binance Smart Chain is built on Atom, but it's two separate chains. With this, it's two alternatives to Ethereum with massive gas fees. You know, as we're seeing more user adoptions, more new people coming into this space, a lot of younger generations entering this blockchain space, and understanding, you know, the power of Uniswap, the power of different things in the blockchain space, and a Pancakeswap is one of them. And it's interesting because the name throws so many people off. The name throws, you know, if you're like a 50-year-old hedge fund manager and you hear about Pancakeswap, are you going to invest? Or if you're like, I don't know, a 60-year-old doctor, are you going to invest in Pancakeswap? Probably not. You're probably going to stick to like Vanguard funds or the NASDAQ. So it's very interesting because it provides this opportunity to, like, in my opinion, I just remove the biases. I try and go, okay, let's look at the actual technology. Let's look at what it's actually doing, the numbers behind this, and it's open source. Yes, Binance is a bit more centralized. It is centralized. CZ owns it compared to something like Ethereum. But they both have two figureheads. Ethereum has Vitalik. Binance Chain has CZ. And with Pancakeswap, the Cake token has done incredibly well. I mean, like I said, I was covering this around $1. I got in personally under $1, and right now, at the time of recording this, it's about $18. So on top of this, not just have we done like a bit more of it than a 10x, at least for myself, I've done almost a 20x, but when we added it to our top 5 coins, we recorded a video on it previously, but when we added it to our top 5 coins, it was under $2. So it's basically done a 10x from there. I just had to record this because we do our weekly updates on the top 5 coins for February, kind of analyzing all the price actions with the spreadsheets. You can check those videos out. We've done 2 of them so far. This upcoming one will be week 3 of those coins. Very, very interesting. We have Thorchain Rune in there. We have Chainlink in there. All of them have done very, very well. Serum, SRM. I think the other is Cream Finance, if I remember correctly. But we will be recording that. Like I said, we always take a look at the spreadsheet just to analyze this. And it's just insane to see this because the thing that makes me so happy is the viewers of this channel, the people that follow along, you know, are interested in investing globally, not just in blockchain. Yes, blockchain is incredible, crypto is incredible, but you have to prepare for a rainy day when we have this bear market. So you have your long-term holds, but with something like this, I mean, if you did a 10x, man, take your initial profit out at least, and let the rest ride it, or take a little bit of your initial profit out, or initial investment out and a little bit of profit. Use the little old lady strategy. I have a link down below for taking profits in altcoins. Very, very important to do because you need to realize those profits. You have to understand that a lot of people got rich in this space by seeing a number go up, and then they realize the next day, oh wait, I didn't sell, so I'm not technically rich. You know, it's only like a short-term gain. So you have to realize these profits. It's not a tangible profit until you take it. So on top of all these incredible things with Pancakeswap is you can be earning, it's like 150% APR. It's insane. I have a video on this. How to stake Pancakeswap. Also, if you want to use MetaMask, how you can connect your MetaMask to Binance Smart Chain. I recorded a video on this. Literally everything you need to know to get started with this. I didn't know there wasn't a ton of resources out there when I first started staking this, and it was like 200% in that initial pool. So that means literally you're 100% would mean you're doubling. 200%, you get the point. It's pretty incredible APR. Where like if your money's sitting in a bank account, what are you earning? Less than pennies on the dollar. It's like less than like 0.1%. It's some ridiculous amount. But yeah, it's especially interesting. Just for a little aside, you know, you have these incredible things in the DeFi space, but then like I was saying, not only with our channel are we focused on this, but I've been more interested recently in you know, global bank accounts. So setting up, for example, I'm here in Istanbul, Turkey, and the percentage rate's pretty nice with Turkish banks. You know, for example, Ukraine, you can get around 10% interest rate. So it's pretty interesting as far as that goes. Obviously, you have to do it in the local currency. So, you know, if you're looking to diversify out of cryptocurrency, pulling some of those profits, think about, okay, am I going to stick them in my bank account where I'm literally losing money because inflation is 2%, and that's just the number they tell you, and that's losing money based off the percentage that you're making the bank is paying you, which is a tiny amount, and go, okay, what are some of the other opportunities? And that's why we make these other videos on more like macroeconomic things, emerging markets, commodity stocks, real estate, all these different things are important to understand. It's not just blockchain. You can't just be in this echo chamber of like only crypto, but it's important to go, okay, there's huge opportunity here. You have to realize not only is the technology great, but I think it's hilarious. Like this Pancakeswap name, just that alone, most people are going to go, Pancakeswap, that's a scam. Because they don't understand, okay, it's built on Binance. Binance is one of the top exchange. I think it might be the top exchange actually. But it's insane. We're in this insane space. I don't really know what to say besides that. Congratulations if you made money on this cake token. Just wanted to make this quick video going over kind of what's happened since we recorded the original videos on Pancakeswap. Again, congratulations, but make sure to realize some profits. At least pull out that initial investment. You can watch that video down below on kind of the little old lady strategy, how you can diversify into other coins with some of those profits. And yeah, that was it for today's video. As always, like, subscribe button all, invest global, and until next time.